Okay, so in this video we're going to do algebraic division to find the factor of a polynomial. So basically we divide x minus 2, x cubed minus 5x squared plus 8x minus 4 by x minus 2 to find out whether x minus 2 is a factor. And we know it's a factor if we get a remainder of 0. So to do this we use the long division method, so I'll write it out for you. So x minus 2 Okay, so the first thing we do is we determine what we times x by to get x cubed. So that's x squared. So we write that here. Okay, so then the next thing we do is we times x by x squared and we get x cubed. So we write that down here. And minus 2 times x squared. So we get minus 2x squared. Now we subtract the 2 away from each other. So x cubed minus x cubed is 0. Minus 5x squared minus 2x squared is minus 3x squared. Okay, and so we bring the 8x down. Okay, so then we get plus 8x. Okay. So then we say what do we times x by to get minus 3x squared? So that would be minus 3x. So we write that up here, minus 3x. Okay, and then we times x by minus 3x, so we get minus 3x squared. And then minus 2 times minus 3x squared, which is equal to plus 6x. Again, take the 2 away from each other. So minus 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. 8x minus 6x is 2x. And then we bring the minus 4 down. Okay, so then we say, what do we times x by to get 2x? So it's 2. So we write that up here. Okay. Okay. So then we say, what's 2 times x? 2x. And what's minus 2 times 2? Minus 4. Take the 2 away from each other, and we get a remainder of 0. So therefore, x minus 2 is a factor. Okay, so here we have another question. So, divide x cubed minus 9x squared plus 2x plus 1 by x plus 3. Okay, so I'll give you a second to do that. If you want to pause the video. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, so x plus 3, x cubed minus 9x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so the first thing we do is say, what do we times x by to get x cubed? Well, that's x squared. Okay, so x times x squared is x cubed. And 3 times x squared is plus 3x squared. And we take them away from each other. So minus 9x squared plus 3x squared is equal to minus 12x squared. Bring the 2 down, plus 2x. So the next thing is, what do we times the x by to get minus 12x squared? Well, that's minus 12x. Okay, so x times minus 12x is minus 12x squared. 3 times minus 12x squared is minus 36x. And we take them away again. So we get 0 and 38x. Bring the 1 down. Okay, so then we say, what do we times x by to get 38x? Well, that's 38. And then we say, what is 38 times x? Well, it's 38x. And 3 times 38, which is 114. We take them away from each other, and we get minus 113. So therefore, x plus 3 is not a factor. And we obviously know that because we didn't get 0 here. Okay? So, in the next one, we've got a term missing. So we're actually missing the x squared term. But the method still works. So but we'd write it out like this. So you get x minus 2 and 2x cubed plus 0x squared plus 7x plus 2. So, okay, so the first thing we do is say, what do we times x by to get 2x cubed? So that's 2x squared. So, so bring that down. 2x cubed, 2x squared times x, then minus 2 times 2 minus 4x squared. Okay? So then we take them away. So we get plus 4x squared. Bring the 7x down. Okay, so then we say, what do we times x by to get 4x squared? So that's obviously 4x. So 4x times x is 4x squared. And minus 2 times 4x is minus 8x. So we get plus 15x. Bring the 2 down. So we say, what do we times x by to get 15x? And that's 15. And then what do we times? And so then we times 15 by x. So we get 15x. Minus 2 times 15, minus 30. And we end up with 32. So therefore, in this equation, in this division, where we've got a term missing, we've got the x squared term missing, x minus 2 is not a factor, because we didn't get 0 here. But you could have got 0 in a different equation.